Learn about how to derive the section formula. Let the two given points be x1, y1, z1 and qx2, y2, z2. And this is the 2 points. Let the point r here x, y, z divide this pq into the ratio that is m is to n internally. Now what we'll do is draw the PL, QM and Rn, which are perpendicular to the xy plane. This is the xy plane, this one. Obviously PL will be parallel to Rn is parallel to QM, and the feet of these perpendiculars will lie in the xy plane. Now coming to the points L, M, N will lie on a line which is the intersection of the plane containing the PL, Rn and QM with the xy plane. Through the point R here, draw a line ST. This line will draw parallel to the line LM. Line ST will intersect the line LP. You can see this is the line LP. It is going to intersect it externally at the point S, and the line MQ at T. Now note that we have the two quadrilaterals here, L, N, R, S and N, N, T, R. These are the two quadrilaterals and also called as parallelograms. Let us take now the triangles P, S, R and Q, T, R. These are the two triangles you can see here. These are the similar triangles. If they are similar, we can take them as M by N. M by N is equal to PR by QR. Similar theorem, if you take the theorem of the similar triangles, this is also equal to SP PR by QR is equal to SP divided by QT, which you can write as this SP. SP can be written as NR minus of PL. This is NR minus of PL, whereas the QT can be written as QM, it is a bigger one, minus TM. QM minus of TM. Now you can see here what are the values you are getting here. So this is NR. NR is this one. NR is the point which has XYZ. So we can write, since it is Z, NR Z plane, so Z minus, which is NR is in a Z axis, Z minus PL. PL you can see here, PL, P point is 1, so therefore you can write Z1, and QM is also Z. This second point Z2 will be minus TM. TM is what? Along this axis it will be a Z. So now what we'll get, cross multiply M into Z2 minus Z is equal to N into Z minus Z1. Z minus Z1. So it will be M into Z2 minus M into Z is equal to N into Z minus N into Z1. Now let us take this mz2 as it is, and take this minus in nz1 to the right side, it will become plus nz1, and this is nz plus this one mz. Taking common, z common here, you will get m plus n. Now take z left side, it will become mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. Similarly you can get the values for y, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Similarly for x, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So these are the values for x, y, z and for the section formula. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel, please like our channel, and you can ask us the questions. These are the very important questions which you can share with your friends, which can be asked in your annual examination, board examinations. Thank you.